Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today, it's my laser day. So ayan guys, so ganyan lang yung mukha ko for today. Wala akong nilagay na makeup. So there's no makeup on my face right now. Because tatanggalin rin naman yan, sabi nila. So it doesn't matter kung maglagay ako ng makeup or not. So pinili kong hindi na lang maglagay para less hassle na rin sa akin. So lipstick lang meron ako guys. So ayan, and then yan yung my sweetheart. So guwapo. Mama. Yan, a very, very supportive husband for me. So, see you guys! Bye! So, ayan guys, we're here. Yan yung building namin ng ating cosmetic clinic. So, ayan. So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo. So, let's go inside. So, ayan guys, nililinisan na nila yung mukha ko. Parang kalmang-kalma ako dyan. Pero sa totoo lang, sa loob-loob, kamadong-kabado na ako. Ay, naku, papikit-pikit lang ako dyan. Ay, naku, kinakabahan talaga ako. Super.
Now the laser itself is quick.
So ayan guys, yan na yung magic pen. Mamarkahan na yung mga sugat ko, yung mga peklat sa mukha ko para ma-sure kung saan nila ili-laser yung mga peklat ko. So ayan guys, yan, may marka na ako.
Mark all this on my foot. Okay. If you don't have any of that, I would tell you to get Aquaphor just because it's the easiest, cleanest, easiest to work with. But if you have any of that at home, that's still fine.
Ayan na guys, ayan na yung injection. Yan yung pampamanhid sa mukha ko para hindi ko maramdaman yung sakit ng laser. Kaya ayan, palolobohin na, pamamanhidin nila yung mukha ko guys. Ayan, takot na takot ako sa needles. Pero wala tayong magagawa guys. Ayan na. Para sa ikagaganda ng ano natin, ng kinabukasan natin. Torture to guys. Tiis ganda ang peg guys. Eto na, Diyos mio. Ayan na. Pangiti-ngiti lang dyan, pero kinakabahan ng sobra. Ayan, todo smile ka pa. Ayan, pa-smile, pero yan, pipikit na yan. Ang sakit guys, super.
So anyway, so when we talk about is to try to keep it so that there's never really a dry skin, that your skin can kind of work through and breathe through. Okay, so don't put like a big. See, that's the last. That's the first one. 1, 2, 3.
So is that lidocaine?
Yeah, I know what that be. Although, does this have bicarbonate?
It does.
Makes it less. So like you'll see these are getting a little lighter in color. Okay. Now this nerve. Over there. On the other side. 2, 3.
Ayan, tapos na guys. Tapos ng injekan o tusukin yung mukha ko ng pampamanhid. So ayan yung mukha ko, lubong-lubo na parang ang bigat ng mukha ko. Para hindi ko maramdaman yung laser. So ayan guys, tapos na. Unang tusok tapos na.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Gently close, and I'll put one of these on each eye, just nice and
So what we're gonna do? All right. Let's just do 1, 2, 3.
So ayan guys, unang
So a little bit of impact.
tusok.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Masakit siya guys. Kahit na linagyan na ako ng pampamanhid, masakit pa rin siya. Nararamdaman ko pa rin siya. Ayan, naaamoy mo rin yung yung parang usok ng ng buhok. Ayan, umuusok, kaya pinapaypayan yan kasi may usok talaga. Kaya masakit siya. Mararamdaman mo talaga yung yung tusok ng laser.
Are you done? Okay. People that tolerate it. it though?
Bale, sa isang peklat guys, 3 beses niyang uulit-ulitin na i-laser yung isang peklat ko. So, ayan, bale 3 beses niyang inulit-ulit. Kaya, sa unang beses, medyo, ano pa lang, medyo hindi mo mararamdaman yung sakit. Pero, pag sa pangalawa, pangatlo na, lalong-lalo yung sa pangatlo, masakit siya guys. Parang yung manginginig ka na sa sakit.
Trying to let you relax there too. Alright, you're gonna come under your nose. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you ready to just kind of finish up? Alright. That's it. Relax. Good.
So, ayan guys, natapos din ang kalbaryo ko. Ayan, natapos na yung pang-laser sa akin. Pero, kitang-kita niyo naman yung mukha ko, dugong-dugo. Para lang yung, yung unang injury ko noon na, para lang nasa hospital ako dati, nasabi ko na, parang surgery ko talaga, na yung tinatahi yung mga sugat ko noon sa hospital ako. Parang ganyan din, parang nagkaroon lang uli ako ng mga sugat. Parang nadoble lang. Pero masakit siya guys. Pero ayan, dumudugo na talaga yung mga peklat ko.
On that tissue.
So pagkatapos ng laser, ini-sprayan nila ng pampamanhid din yan para lang hindi masakit at saka pampa-stop ng bleeding para hindi masyadong madugo guys. So ayan, spray lang yan, hindi ini-inject sa akin, ini-spray lang nila yan.
Purposely cuts at some of that scarring. But what happens because of that is there's just going to be a little loop of blood vessel in those little papillary components of skin where you pop a little bit of that and you get a drop of blood. So it is like taking a pin stick or a pin needle. Just a second.
So dahil na laser na yung mukha ko guys, yung mga peklat sa mukha ko, nag-decide kami ng asawa ko na gawin na rin yung mga ibang dark spots sa buong mukha ko. Kaya ayan, pinapainom nila ako ng Tylenol para dun sa mga sa laser ulit na sa mga maliliit na mga dark spots sa mukha ko, mga freckles ganun. So ayun, para isang isang tiisan na lang siya.
Good? Okay.
All right, so before she gets going, I'm just going to talk to you about this. So this thing, you'll hear it, but it feels like static. It feels like electricity. So again, it's a little hard not to shake or jump a touch. Kind of touch these
So ito guys,
things.
ibang laser ang ginamit sa akin. Ito yung mas mild, mas siya, konti, parang isang lang, karayom lang yung may tutusok sa'yo. So, yung mararamdaman mo talaga yung parang talaga yung karayom, isang karayom pumapasok sa'yo. Yun. Nakikita niyo naman yung reaction ko kada tusok niya sa akin. So, ayan, kayo na ang humusga kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, guys.
some of these will be a little more sensitive than others. Just a smidge. Turn a little bit more focus.
So, ayan guys, wala akong masabi sa doktor ko at sa nurse ko. Super bait nila guys. Talagang inaalalayan nila ako. Sinasabi nila kung ano yung kailangan ko. So, ang clinic na to talaga super cheap siya. Yung reasonable yung presyo nila. Kaya wala akong masabi kundi super nice sila. Grabe. Lahat. Kung may tanong ka, tawagan mo lang sila. Sasagot sila agad. Or kapag hindi sila na sumagot, tatawag sila ulit sa'yo. Tatawagan ka nila ulit. So, ayun guys, so super nice sila, lalong-lalo na si Kevin, yung doktor ko, tsaka si Meg. So ayan, wala akong masabi sa kanila guys, talagang inaasikaso kanila kung ano yung mga kailangan mo.
Got a couple here, but these are kind of sensitive, so I'm going to just save that to the very end. Catch your breath. I've got about 2 little toe curlers coming in. Okay? One last one to go, but let you catch your breath. 2 last ones here. We'll use 2 up on top here.
Okay.
Go ahead and cut. Just a couple slow deep breaths in. I'm not going to get hurt here. Ready? And relax. Got one more to go. Okay, ready? Hold on.
Now, did you get this one right there?
You can do this one. This one's more about pigment, less about a.
So
Okay.
yun yung asawa ko guys, nakalimutan kong sabihin, andyan siya pala, siya yung taga-video ko, siya yung super
Well, if you
super
think
na
that you shouldn't, it's
taga-suporta ko
fine.
talaga.
Whatever you think,
Kaya
Kevin.
yan, talagang sinisigurado niya na lahat makukuha or matatanggal. Kaya yan. Kaya san ka pa
Okay.
magkaroon ng the best, very supportive na husband. So, super blessed ako talaga sa kanya.
Okay.
One of the things that you can do, I think we're all good, by the way, thank you, is that if, we get through all of this and, we're trying to blend color, maximally,
Mm-hmm.
then she may benefit from some of the other types of just kind of global treatments, whether those are chemicals or, even like a Moxie or something of that just helps to kind of make sure that if there is, for example, I'm try to relax a little bit, you can see how there's just a little more pigment in areas like that.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to try to blend that and just kind of help out, we can still do that with a couple of different types of tools. We still have to be careful because of the pigment, background pigment color, and we want to make sure we don't repigment with some patchiness either.
Yes.
So after she heals up and everything, then possibly we could do one of like Moxie or something. You're saying?
Just like a generalized blending kind of treatment.
Okay.
And it probably makes sense just to wait and not do it during summer, because all of these things tend to make you a little bit sun sensitive. So once we know that you get through summer, there's no problems, we control the pigment for this process and truthfully, we keep talking about this hydroquinone or HQ as a product, and the idea of using that to make sure that there's no pigment problems, you can pre-treat skin with that to try to make sure that even if you do these other treatments, that we're less likely to get some emerald pigment coming after the fact. So, kind of a perfect world, we might do that. We might say, great, let's make sure you've got some suppression of that enzyme. Come back, do the laser treatment or the halo type treatment or chem peels. So the chem peels are another solution in this approach.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you did fine. I'm sorry that those are all really sensitive areas. I mean, and it's just every time you try to get calm, I mean, we go into a new area, so it's hard to kind of fully relax. And the other part is, even though you're numb, the way we can block nerve endings, we can knock the pain receptors. So we don't block, let's say, the pressure receptors, temperature receptors. So your body still gives.
So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami. So, ito na siya. Super bleeding siya, guys. Ito, ginawa din namin to. So, yung mga freckles ko, yung mga so, all over my face. So, ayan. Pauwi na kami, pero nag-stop over kami ng Walmart kasi kailangan namin bumili ng Aquaphor para sa para hindi mag-dry yung laser, so yung mga sugat. So ayan, pero nagbigay sila ng 3 sachet, so it's libre. Tsaka meron din silang binigay na cleanser. Ayan guys, so ayan, ito yung gagamitin ko for washing my face. So it's free. So ayan. So ayan na siya guys. So pauwi pa lang kami. So let's see. Hopefully it goes well. Mawala na yung mga scars ko.